I don't know if home shopping also faking their like testimonies and such. Kasi nanonood ako ng mga home shopping. Yes, I'm very entertained. At the same time, I am also questioning kung totoo ba talaga yung mga testimonies na nandun sa mga videos ng home shopping. Kasi lagi may like, this product is so effective. I hope that you will try it too. It's very practical, it's very easy to use, and it changed my life. Like, have you tried it though? I just wanna ask, have you fucking tried it though? Hindi din ako naniniwala. I'm also skeptic. Yes, I can confirm that I'm very skeptic about home shopping. It might be very scammy for these types of advertisements, but you want to still try it because you're curious, right? I think the marketing works. Like, I don't know. Parang, it's 15 minutes of pure advertisement, like pure fake testimonies, and then you're just curious because it's very fishy, those testimonies, so you also tried it. Like, I think ganun yung tactic ng home shopping. But, hindi lang naman yun yung style ng home shopping, yung pinapresent nila. Also, yung parang live TV na proof na maganda talaga yung product na to. Na-discover ko lang to sa O Shopping or also yung mga Korean na home shopping. I know mas tumatak sa sa mga Pinoy yung O Shopping style of home shopping. But in fact, I know na matagal nang ganun yung style ng home shopping. But yung format kasi ng ng home shopping, like Korean style, yung live TV, is that ipapakita talaga nila sa iyo kung gaano ka-effective yung product. Doon hindi ako skeptic. And also, nandun na yung information na gada sa gilid na part na screen or nandito sa part na screen na to, si hotline, tapos yung yung number sa tatawagan mo na kung nasa ibang lugar ka, o di kaya yung price point dito, yung pangalan ng product, habang parang dinademo nila live on TV. Like nakakatawa, right? Nakakatawa lang. So, yeah, dun sa O Shopping style, hindi ako skeptic. Kasi may testimony talaga eh. And I think, yun yung charm ng ganong home shopping, kaya siya mas mabenta. Hindi siya nagre-rely on fake testimonies, on, fake technology whatsoever. That's why you got curious para bilhin mo yung product na yun.